Sun's not up yet. Up early so that we can get on the walk to Oia. Just heading off now. It's not quite 6 o'clock. We started this walk on the bottom right at Ursi Villas, our apartment, and then headed up through Firostefani and on towards Oia. Doesn't take long before you've exited Firostefani and you're in the little gaps in between the villages. Just entering the village of, I think it's Imerovigli. So you can walk out onto that rock there and look back to Santorini, but we don't want to delay the walk this morning, so maybe we'll come back and do that tomorrow. Out there on the point is where we're going. That's Oia. So if you walk this trail from Fira, or in our case we started from Firostefani, which is just out of Fira, and you're heading to Oia, it's mainly downhill, but with definitely some inclines up around the villages, but it's generally down, so probably slightly easier. I'm not sure I'm brave enough to perch on the cheap seats out there. Start to get to the point where we can see both sides of the island at once, or we can see the sea on both sides anyway. And I think the sun is up. There it is.
Right.
Look at those seats there on the edge of the pool looking over the water, and then looking out at that view. That'd be pretty cool. Now we're on a proper gravel trail. It's more of an access road to a little grouping of apartments on this piece. I think we're about halfway now. Just looking back that way. There's the Scaros rock. There's Oia. We're going to be in the sun now. Are we going to get warm? This is a very steep section we're just getting to the end of. Yeah, look at the way the trees are leaning up here. Alright, we're going to afford ourselves at least one little detour. Can't not get a close-up look at this. Oh no, the trail goes this way. No, it's this way, love.
Yeah, good.
Oh, we're into proper hiking trail, tramping trail now. Wow, it's still kind of cobbled. It's got a bit rougher. It's rather windy around here. Now we got a proper tramping track. Bit of red volcanic rock here, and a bit of rock fall to watch out for. There's a little short section here that you've got to do along the road. Yep, that way. Yeah, it's pretty rough looking rock. Another big hill to climb. You won't see the people on the video, but that white church house on the left there's a trail running down left to right from there. Quick look back. Oh, not going too close to the edge, it looks scary. This is a bit more rugged. Still heading up. Not far to the church now. I'm hoping that's the top of the hill. Oh, I'm hoping once we get past here we get some more breeze. I've had no breeze climbing that hill. It's getting very warm. The end destination is in sight. Just about on the edge of civilization again. That's looking pretty inviting right now. Gonna have to wait until we get the bus back for our swim. Right, so we've been walking for about 2.5 hours now, and we're just about there. I'd say that blue dome is kind of the centre of Oia. I'm not sure, we're going to find out. If you're thinking about doing this walk, then definitely you want to be doing some practice walks beforehand and get a bit fit. I wouldn't say Sarah's fit, but she's been doing a lot of walking. Super proud she's managed to make this distance. And if you don't want to walk all the distance, then I would say from Fira or Firostefani, where we started from, to Imerovigli would be a really nice walk. Just turn around there and go back. Quick stop here at the church. Wow, the pathway here is rather fancy. We've stopped for pizza and beer at 9 AM. You can pretend it's 11 AM somewhere in the world. We've had our pizza and beer stop, and now we can finish the walk. We were just about there anyway, but it's a nice looking spot to have a break. Finishing the walk, the challenge will be avoiding all the crowds. We don't really do crowds. And we think we've ruled out the idea of coming here to see sunset, because that would be mental. So many people. We'll just enjoy being here now. Right, I might show you how mental these crowds are.
No.
Certainly don't want to score girls to the right.
Girls, watch out.
Sorry, excuse us. It's trying to keep up with her bag.
Moo-moo. You want a moo-moo?
We'll go get 12. I can't.
Everyone was waiting.
Okay, there's the end point. That's the Oia Castle.
Na plażę pojedziemy.
Tak, na plaży to wszędzie. Na plaży to już można na sam koniec.
No tak.
Yep, that's pretty wow. See where the cruise ships are. Fira is up to the left there in the sun. You can see Scaros Rock on the left there too.
We made it.
We made it.
Ooh,
That was a good walk.
that was brilliant. Yeah.
Right, our next wee mission is to get over to those windmills, I think. Doesn't look too hard, does it? Right, I think that'll do us. We're going to go find the bus back to Fira.